Hey everyone, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious and super easy queso fundido. I like to make this dish when my family comes over. You can eat it with chips or flour tortillas. I personally like it with flour tortillas. So if you don't know how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how. We're gonna start off by roasting one chile poblano. Okay, it's done and we're gonna put it in a bag. Now we're gonna clean and dice the chile. I like to use a spoon to get rid of the skin because it's easier and the chile is hot. I'm also gonna be using half of a small white onion. I'm gonna turn on the stove on medium heat. I'm gonna be using 9 ounces of pork chorizo. Once the chorizo is cooked, we're gonna add the white onion. Next, we're gonna add the chile poblano. It is now ready and I'm gonna be turning off the heat. Now I'm gonna push all the mixture into the center of the pan, just like that. Next, I'm gonna add some Chihuahua cheese. I'm gonna be using about 10 ounces. We're gonna add it around the chorizo just like that. I'm also gonna be adding some Monterrey Jack cheese. I'm using about 10 ounces. Once we've added all the cheese, now it's time to put it in the oven and broil for about 3 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes and the queso fundido con chorizo is now ready. Look at how delicious it looks. And it smells amazing. And there you have it, delicious queso fundido con chorizo. Okay, my favorite part with some tortilla de harina, flour tortilla. Just like that. Está caliente. Cheers. So hungry.
¿Está rico, mi amor?
Súper delicioso.
Tortilla de harina.
If you haven't tried it, definitely need to try. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Any suggestions, leave it down in the comments and I'll be sure to look at them. I'll see you next time. Bye.